Well, snow showers still continuing north of I-96, but in the next few hours, this should be out of our hair, and then we'll track just rain for Wednesday, Thursday, and then into Friday as well, as melting is going to be a cause for concern with some minor flooding potential here as well. So from Big Rapids to White Cloud over towards Hart, we are tracking some moderate, wetter, heavier snow, as well as parts of Muskegon County on M46 into Ravenna. That'll move into northern Kent County here as well. And temperatures just marginally above freezing. So a lot of this, again, wet, heavy snow, but on contact, thankfully melting on a lot of roadways or leading to some slush, which may impact travel, especially along I-96 and up towards US 31. It's rain in some areas of Allegan County, otherwise dry to the south. That system exits by 9 o'clock. We are completely dry here in West Michigan as we track our next system that moves in as all rain here tomorrow morning at about 4 a.m. Grand Rapids, tough camera here looking downtown. Grassy surfaces still have the snow, but again, continuing to at least decrease in thickness. The depth in Grand Rapids down to about 9 inches after it was about 14 or 15 just a few days ago. And moisture on the camera lens, we're going to see a lot of fog build in as well. Holland is still pretty good here as well. Visibility not terrible, down to about 2 miles or so. Temperatures 32 in Fremont, 33 in Hart, 37 in Benton Harbor, and 36 in Battle Creek. So some milder air off to the south and east. Notice temperatures just marginally above freezing, Fremont and Big Rapids. Dew points very close as well to our temperatures, just a couple of degrees off in Grand Rapids, 1 degree off in Battle Creek, 1 degree in Benton Harbor. That means that with temperatures close to dew points, it's going to lead to some fog forming here tonight and into tomorrow morning, maybe impacting your morning commute. We'll see an all-day rain event here on Wednesday. I think most of it will be done by sunset. We'll take another pause and track more showers on Thursday. So it's a couple of more systems moving in from the south and west that'll bring us just rain chances. Thankfully, no snow. But again, the significant melt is underway. We're going to have to watch for a lot of puddling and your grass to be overly saturated, maybe leading to some flooding in some spots. A snapshot of what could be future visibility tomorrow morning as we have a dense fog advisory from I-96 counties to the south. We're looking at a half mile or less in a lot of communities. Now we track the rain that moves in with this, and this is going to be a big factor with low visibility, some showers on the roadways, maybe a tricky travel. Not as bad as this morning, especially near I-94, but definitely could slow you down. Light to moderate rain moves in throughout the afternoon, or rather throughout the morning, lingers into the afternoon, and then by dinner time, pretty much similar timeline to this system we've had here today. That exits by about 9, 10 o'clock. Will be dry into Thursday, but then Thursday system, that'll move in right around the afternoon. This could be a pretty wet system. Again, looking at upwards of a ½ an inch or more. Grand Rapids off to the south and east, maybe 2/3 of an inch of rain or 3/4 of an inch in some areas as well. Temperatures stay very mild. We do track foggy conditions into Friday, and then the 8 to 14 day outlook on temperatures looking very, very warm, mild stretch.